How to lose belly fat in 1 week at home with 5 simple steps. Any goal worth achieving requires some degree of focused effort. Losing belly fat is no exception. The more fat you have to lose, the harder you will have to work at it, and you shouldn't expect miraculous results overnight. Getting into shape can't be tough, but it's not impossible with the right plan. First, you should know how to calculate your body fat, and the answer is simple. Use one of our calculators. Here are 5 simple steps to lose belly fat. 1. Avoid sugar. This is very important, because studies show that it can harm your body's metabolism. Sugar is composed of equal parts glucose and fructose. Since your liver isn't able to metabolize fructose in significant quantities, it's quickly turned into fat. Liquid sugar is even worse, so your best bet is to minimize your sugar intake, and eliminate sugary drinks from your diet entirely. Remember that if you choose to ignore this step, you will be fighting an uphill battle. 2. Consume more protein. Be sure to give this step your full attention, because protein has been shown to reduce food cravings by up to 60%. With enough protein in your diet, you can actually burn up to 100 more calories per day, and consume 400 fewer calories. As you can see, adding more protein to your diet can easily be the most effective tool in your arsenal. To get the best results, eat more meats, unprocessed eggs, seafood, dairy products and poultry. You can also supplement your diet with whey protein. 3. Cut back on the carbs. Reducing your carbohydrate intake will help keep your appetite down. Studies have shown that people on low-carb diets lose 2 to 3 times more weight than those on low-fat diets. You'll also lose water weight more quickly, which should be noticeable on the scale within a few days. Refined carbs, such as white breads and pastas, are the ones you should pay most attention to. Avoiding these should be sufficient if you're adding protein to your diet. If you want to lose weight even more quickly, try getting your carb intake down to 50 grams per day. Your body will go into ketosis, enabling it to burn even more fat, due to the absence of carbs. 4. Eat more fiber. Fiber will make you feel full, which should help you cut down on the amount of food you're eating. However, not all fiber is the same. The most viscous fibers bind with water and form a type of gel that sits at the bottom of your gut. This slows down the passage of food through the digestive system, leaving you with a feeling of fullness and reduced appetite. Eating more fruits and vegetables should provide you with enough fiber to do the job. If not, there are also fiber supplements you can take. 5. The importance of exercise cannot be overstated. Aerobic exercise is great for fat burning, except that it will only burn fat for a few hours after the workout is over. On the other hand, lifting weights can boost your metabolism for up to 2 days after each workout. This is because the body uses up more energy to maintain muscle, which requires burning more calories, while it's at rest. The more muscle you build, the faster you'll burn off belly fat. If you follow these steps carefully, you shouldn't have a problem losing belly fat. However, it will take time, during which you will have to be patient and monitor your progress. The process is actually quite simple. The hard part is mustering up the discipline required to stick with it.